Okay, so we're back to the multiplication problems again, and when I talk about multiplication over here, it's a plus b plus c, and then it's going to be a minus b plus c, and then it's going to be a plus b minus c. And by the way, there's a variety of ways of doing the problem. My claim over here is I don't know if I want to do every single step in the problem, but like writing certain terms down are incredibly easy to do. Like, for example, a times a times a cubed, and c times minus c cubed. But then there's all kinds of other combinations you're dealing with. And that's where there's trouble over here. But there is a pattern to it. And certainly whether you see the pattern or not is incidental to me. What's important is that you could work through it. All right. Now, what I want to point out, I'm going to erase this over here. It's pretty easy, first and last term. I don't know if I want to do all the details in the problem, but I want to point out other things I'm noticing over here. If I just look at this, a plus b plus c, and if I wrote this down over here, a minus b plus c, right? I can put that down. Now, certainly, this is not that bad to multiply out. What would you get? Well, you get a plus b times a minus b, which are conjugates. Then you're going to get, c times a plus b plus c times a minus b. I think you get the idea that you could do this in a variety of ways. And you see all kinds of combinations. At the end, when all the dust settles, you should be looking at these terms. I'm getting my eraser out. I'm not going to carry that multiplication out, but you should start seeing patterns. They're really not bad. Right now, someone says, what'd you do there? I just took the first two terms and multiplied, or started multiplying them together. But what I'm claiming over here, when you start doing the problem, I'm hoping, well, let me just go through this with you. A cubed, and then you kind of, the last guy is pretty easy to do. But in the bookkeeping department, I'm going to say, I'm hoping, with a little bit of effort and some paper and pencil, you'll get to that. However, if you feel that I have made a mistake in my multiplication, right, like you've done it a dozen times, you say, there's no way that's right, reach out to me. All right, say, oh, no, that's wrong, and this is why it's wrong. And you tell me why it's wrong. But I'm pretty sure I got it right. By the way, there's nothing worse than someone being sure. That's almost a guarantee there's wrong somewhere. All right? Reach out to me. All right? Not a bad thing to do. All right? Thank you.